Hello, in this video we will see how to send tracking URL and take feedback via WhatsApp when order is fulfilled in Shopify. So first I'll have to add my trigger. Go to webhook and add custom webhook. We'll give a title here. So order Shopify, for example. Generate hook. And copy this URL. Now in Shopify, we'll go to settings, then notifications, scroll down and create a webhook here. Now here the event will be order fulfillment. We will paste our URL here and select appropriate webhook API version and then save. Now in our automation builder, we will capture incoming webhook here, and now let's go to Shopify. Here click on orders, select an unfulfilled order. Now click on fulfill item, and here we can add tracking information. As this is just an example, I am typing it manually, and then I'll select fulfill item. Here in our automation builder, we can see that we have received data. So show received data. Here we can see that along with all the information, we have also received an order status URL here. So let's copy this URL once and save this block. Now let's create a template with a dynamic URL button where we can send tracking URL to each customer. So go to all products, click view on WhatsApp official API, select the view icon here, create template, updated interface. Let's name this as tracking order. My language here will be English and my category will be utility. Next. Now here in the body, let's keep this hello. Your order is out for delivery. To track, select the button given. In buttons, click on add button, visit website. Here the button text will be track order. URL type will be dynamic. Let's paste our URL in sample URL first. Now as the URL for each customer will be different depending on their order, so here select dynamic in URL type. Now the part which is going to be same in all the URL, we will copy that from here till this backslash, and I will add that in website URL. So website URL will only contain the part that is going to be same in all the messages. And here for a sample, I have added my entire URL, and here URL type will be dynamic. So now let's submit this template. Here as you can see, our template is approved. So let's go to automation builder again. Now here in template, while adding button variable, I will only have to add the variable part of the URL and not the constant part. So before sending a template, we will have to use split text here. So click on this add button. Here search text formatter and select split text. select an authentication here. My text will be order status URL. And now here, so as we know, the constant part in this is https automationsbuilder.myshopify.com, and we want the part which is after that. So here in separator, let's write myshopify.com / and my segment index will be last. Let's run and save this to check. So run history, output, response, data, and yes, we got the last part that we actually wanted. So let's save this. Now add another block for CRM here. Go to CRM, send template message, select channel, select template. Here WhatsApp number will be 91 and phone from here. And here the button variable 1 will be this one, the part from the split text. Let's save this. Now as the tracking details are shared, let's add a time delay for say 10 to 15 days and then add another template for feedback. So click on this add button. Here select delay. Time delay will be relative. Delay unit will be day, and let's take this as 10 and save this. Now add another CRM template message block. So click on plus CRM, send template message. You can select the feedback template that you created here and again save this and save your workflow and enable it. So what is happening here is, as soon as an order is fulfilled in Shopify, we will receive data here. After that, we are using split text to take out only the variable part from our order status URL. Then we are using send template message, which has a variable URL button. After the message is sent for tracking order, the bot will wait for 10 days, and after 10 days another template message is sent that will take feedback from the customer. Thank you.